So making smoothies is really easy once you know how, and I'm sure you may have made some delicious smoothies already, so I'm going to give you some ideas on what to do. We might use frozen fruit like pineapple, mango or blueberries, and then we might use fresh fruit as well. Bananas go particularly well in smoothies because they add a nice creaminess to them. If you don't like bananas or your body doesn't get on too well with bananas, then something else will work fine. Like mango, if you like mangoes, that actually lends a nice creaminess to your smoothie as well. So I'm gonna start off by making a green smoothie. Now in this one I'm gonna use this kale. I'm gonna put avocado in it for creaminess, mango in it for sweetness, and a bit of apple for sweetness. I'm gonna put ginger in it. Okay, so you can use any blender for this. I would suggest that you put your greens in first. So this has got a really thick stalk on it, so I'm just gonna pull the stalk off and put the greens into my NutriBullet. The amount of water you need depends on how thick you want the smoothie. So if you want it for sipping in a glass, then you're going to want a bit more liquid. And if you want it for a nice thick smoothie bowl, then you're going to add less. So I'm going to just start off with 125 milliliters, half a cup of water, and put that in. Ginger, this is nice clean organic ginger, so I'm just going to snap a bit off and pop that in. Then I've got half a ripe avocado. Now, I'm not going to put the frozen fruit in yet. So I want to blend this up first before I do anything else. So if the greens being a bit stubborn, then just give it a bit of a shake and then pop it on. So the ginger and the kale have blended down nicely. Right, so I might actually have to add a bit more liquid into this. I want to pop in my mango. That's 150 grams of mango. I'm just going to put about half an apple in. Because I know it's thick already, I've just added a little bit more water there. Give it a bit of a shake and then pop it back on. There we go. All right. Let's see what we've got. Let's have a little taste. It's a super clean green smoothie. I really like it. This would make a really nice smoothie bowl too. The thing with making a smoothie bowl is you can load it out with granola, nuts, seeds, fruits, dried fruits, any other delicious things that you just want to add in there, and it makes it really nice and fancy, and it's a nice filling, very substantial breakfast. This smoothie is going to be a really easy, delicious blueberry smoothie. So what I want to do is put a banana in it and about 100 grams of frozen blueberries. A heaped, generous teaspoon of tahini in. You can put any fat in. I like to put hemp seeds in my smoothies or pumpkin seeds. Tahini is very nice. It just adds a delectable creaminess to it. Now, as it is, you can add anything to this. So I often use maca powder. You can add other superfoods to it and other nuts or seeds. Maybe a bit of flaxseed. I'm going to add a teaspoon of flaxseed in here as well, just because it is really, really good for you. And I probably only need about 100 milliliters of water in here. And you can do it in any blender. Pop it on. And there you go. Ooh. And then I'm going to pop this one in a nice glass for my breakfast. It's very easy and delicious. And remember, any of these smoothies, you can add all your little bits of extra things in there.